According to the news portal Bitter Winter, the Chinese government in the Shorvan region of East Turkestan has closed 4 mosques belonging to the village of Liushugu. The demolition was made on April 10, 2018. As a reason, the anti-terrorist struggle was stated. About 2 million Uyghurs, Kazakhs and Hui Muslims live in the region. At an East Turkestan conference in Kayseri organized by Turkish nationalists, the issue of East Turkestan was again addressed. Sayed Tümtürk, president of the Uyghur National Committee, gave a speech on the current situation in China-occupied East Turkestan. Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi announced China's expectations of Iran. Iran should take an active role in regional issues and consider them as important. Iran announced that a strategic partnership with China would be important. According to the Chinese Foreign Ministry's written statement, Wang Yi and Iranian Foreign Minister Javad Zarif met in Beijing. Venezuelan Foreign Minister Pedro Lopez emphasized, despite hostility and threats, to stand firm and faithfully on the side of President Maduro. Should the US seek to establish a vassal government, then only over our bodies, Lopez said. In doing so, the foreign minister clarified how Venezuela's anti-imperialist army could not be manipulated by threats and intrigues. The deputy commander of the Iranian Revolutionary Guards, Salami, criticized Tel Aviv and Riyadh. Salami has plans to defeat the superpowers, he said. The commander blames the US, Israel and Saudi Arabia for killing 27 Iranian soldiers who lost their lives in a terrorist attack in southeastern Iran.